Hello everyone, greetings to all. Today, I'm going to provide you with the most sensible information about cleaning babies' noses. Before we jump into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Now, let's get into the video. Choosing the right cleaning tool. Soft-tipped aspirators or nasal bulb syringes are preferred for cleaning a baby's nose. Avoid using sharp or rigid objects as they can harm the delicate nasal passages of babies. Safe positioning for nasal cleaning. Lay the baby on their back and gently elevate their head to facilitate comfort. This position makes nasal cleaning more effective and safe. Use of baby nasal sprays and drops. Using baby nasal sprays or drops recommended by a doctor can help alleviate nasal congestion. However, they should be used with caution as they can potentially lead to dependency with regular use. Timing for nasal cleaning. Nasal cleaning is most effective when the baby is comfortable and nasal mucus is softer. It can be done during relaxing times, such as after a bath or before bedtime. Moisturization. Using humidifiers can help alleviate nasal congestion by moisturizing the air in the room. Humidifiers can reduce nasal congestion, allowing the baby to breathe more comfortably. Nasal aspiration technique when aspirating. Gently place the aspirator tip at the baby's nostril and suction carefully. Avoid applying excessive force as it can irritate nasal mucosa. Frequent cleaning depending on the severity of nasal congestion. Nasal cleaning should be performed frequently. It can be done more often, especially during conditions like colds or flu. Being gentle and cautious. It's important to be gentle during nasal cleaning as babies have very sensitive nasal passages. Avoid unnecessary movements and perform the procedure carefully. Use of gentle cleaning materials. Soft materials specially designed for baby nasal cleaning should be used. Items like cotton swabs or baby wipes can be used as gentle cleaning materials. Understanding the causes of baby nasal congestion. Factors such as colds, allergies, infections, and teething can cause nasal congestion in babies. Identifying the underlying cause is important for the treatment process. Ways to prevent baby nasal congestion. Pay attention to the air quality around the baby and avoid potential irritants like dust or smoke. Regularly clean the baby's hands and toys to reduce the risk of infection. Steam therapy. Steam therapy can help alleviate baby nasal congestion. This can involve using a humidifier to moisten the air or holding the baby in a steamy bathroom. Seeking doctor's permission and advice. In cases of baby nasal congestion, especially if it's frequent or severe, consulting a doctor is important. The doctor can recommend appropriate treatment methods and medications if necessary. Ensuring baby's comfort. Nasal congestion can affect the baby's feeding and sleeping patterns. Efforts should be made to alleviate nasal congestion for the baby's comfort. Consulting a doctor for prolonged nasal congestion. If baby nasal congestion persists for an extended period or is accompanied by other symptoms, fever, restlessness, etc., consulting a doctor is necessary. This could be a sign of an underlying infection or another medical condition. Don't forget to mention any other methods you know in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more videos to come.